Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to recover Roblox account without email or password. To start this tutorial, go to your internet browser and type in the following: roblox.com/support. Once you're done typing, over at the search bar, just hit enter and then this time, wait for the website to load. Just give it a few seconds or a few minutes. Don't worry, it will load. Alright, now that the website has loaded, all you gotta do right now is type in your username, your first name, your email address, and then confirm your email address. Go ahead, type in those details. I'll be here waiting. Once done, scroll down, and then on the first drop box, just check the device that you're using that you're playing Roblox with. Then, on the second drop box, all you gotta do right now is check in the first option, account hacked or can't log in. Then click on please select. Go to forgot password, just check it. Now, in this square box, all you gotta do right now is type in your plea or your case towards support.roblox.com. Or you can also follow the sentences that I'm writing in here. Go ahead and type, don't worry, I'll wait for you. Once done, just click on submit, and then Roblox support will help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe.